And so also with kind of using and maximizing my clock, since we do have ELDs now and, a clock to abide by, trying to limit what things I didn't have to worry about came in clutch. I'm going to call it clutch because that's what it's a good moto term. Came in clutch. And that's why when I found you guys, it was actually really helpful because I already knew where I was parking. I didn't have to worry about spending an hour finding parking. So therefore I could use my own hour of my own time to prep and get parked and maybe even find somewhere that's actually nice to go for a walk, and take the dogs out. I have 2 dogs. And so we'll get out and hike and do what we can during the day.